In this video, you are going to see how to add watermark only on page in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Here you will see I have 3 pages. If I want to add watermark only in the second page, let us click on the last of the first page. Then go to layout, go to breaks and click on next page. Now let us go to the end of the second page and again go to layout, go to breaks and click on next page. Now I have broken this page from these 2 pages. So let us go to design, go to watermark, go to custom watermark, go to picture watermark, go to select picture. From file, let us choose this picture, click on insert and let us make the scale to 50% and click on OK. Then the picture will be added in 3 pages. So I have to remove it from the page number 1 and page number 3. So let us go to insert, go to header, click on edit header. Now click on over here and uncheck this option link to previous. Now again go to over here, click on in the third header and uncheck the option link to previous. Now select this one and hit the delete button and select this one and hit the delete button. Now close header and footer and you will see I have successfully added the watermark only one page. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.